Hey y'all, it's me, Rose, and I know y'all been missing me, but I've been busy getting more information for you guys. And today we are going to discuss why y'all have been getting declined for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard, which is a business credit card that is strictly off of your business credit. I want to go over 5 tips with you guys on why you may be getting declined or having issues with getting approved. So, if you've been having an issue with getting approved, comment below. Let me know what they were telling you, what type of a denial letter you got. Let me know what's going on. First and foremost, I want to tell y'all, before you guys start running down to Sam's Club or trying to apply online, there are a few steps that you must take first before you start doing the application. And one of the first things is you want to be sure that your business credit score, that you have a Paydex score of at least an 80. Your Paydex score, when you're looking on your NAV account, it says Paydex and then it says Duns and Bradstreet. That's your score. You need that score to be an 80. I'm going to show you guys that on the screen above. The second thing is your Experian business credit score, which will usually be right under the Paydex, needs to be at least a 76 or higher. You need to have those 2 scores available to make sure you're going to have the business credit needed to get approved for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard credit card. This is a great card for people who are just starting their business or you need some type of funding with a credit card because it is strictly based on your business credit and your EIN number. It is no personal guarantee. So that goes into the second thing that you guys may be doing wrong. When you are doing your application, I advise you that you first start building out your business credit. In order for you to do that, to get that 80 Paydex and Experian 76 or higher, you need to have business credit built by adding your business credit trade lines. So first, as long as you have your LLC, EIN, and DUNS number, you're going to add these 3 business credit trade lines. First, you're going to start with NAV business account. NAV Prime, that is what they're currently called. So NAV Prime allows you to get 2 business trade lines for just $49.99 a month. So the first account is going to be your NAV Prime account. You pay $49.99 a month, and that is going to report 1 business trade line onto your business credit. Now NAV has a new add-on with their NAV Prime business credit card. This business credit card does not require any minimal credit scores or anything like that. You're just going to link your business bank account so that they can approve you for a credit limit with them based on the interactions on your current business bank account. So the more money you have flowing in or interactions going, the higher your approval will be for that NAV Prime card. So it's no additional cost for you to add NAV Prime. So that's how you're going to get 2 business trade lines for just $49.99 a month. Now, thirdly, I suggest you add 1 more to ensure that you are going to get your Paydex and Experian business credit score. The third account you can add is going to be Uline, ULINE.com, and I will link that above for y'all as well. When you go on Uline, you just need to purchase something that is at least $100. And it's a lot of supplies for your business, whether you need packaging, trash bags, toiletries, whatever. Just get something that's at least $100 because that is going to report on your business credit as well as your third trade line. Now, if you are looking to build business credit, it is very possible to do that within the next 90 days just by adding these 3 business trade lines. After 90 days, you should have everything that you need to be able to generate the score and start applying for your different credit cards that are going to get you your business funding that you need. Strictly based on your business credit, no personal guarantees required. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, we are now going to go into Sam's Club and we are going to open a business account at Sam's Club. I want you to open your business account at Sam's Club first because you need to ensure that you build a relationship with them and have that account open at least 32 days so that it's open and active. You've had a full statement. They can fully see that you've been with them. So the moment that you sign up for NAV Prime in your business credit trade lines, I suggest you go ahead and sign up and get your Sam's Club business account that same time. That way your 32 days pass. Once the 32 days have passed, you're going to be checking your business credit scores to see if everything has generated. It can roughly take about 30 to 45 days for you to fully see and generate your business credit score. Once you see that you have an 80 Paydex and a 76 Experian, now you can go back into Sam's Club, and before y'all run in there and do too much, you're going to go into Sam's Club and you're going to apply for the Sam's Club Business Mastercard credit card that is strictly from business credit. Now, when you do this application, the second thing that y'all are doing that's causing you to get denied or have issues is that you're giving them your social security number. You do not need to give a social security number for your business because that's attached to you personally. Your social security number for your business, when they ask, you're going to put your EIN number down. Do not give them your social security number. If you do, they're going to do a personal guarantee, and if you have bad credit, you're going to get denied. Now, if you mistakenly do that, the best thing for you to do is to lock your credit report so that they cannot pull it. Now again, you're going to go into Sam's Club, apply for the Business Mastercard. If they ask for a social security number, you're going to put down your EIN number. They're going to pull your business credit, and as long as you have that 80 Paydex and your 76 Experian, you should not have a problem with getting approved. The third thing that y'all are doing that may be causing you to get denied is your business information is not matching what's on file, which means when you filed your LLC, you gave them your business name, your business address, your business phone number. Somewhere you may have different information reported. You need to put the exact name as it is on your LLC article documents. You need to put the exact same address, phone number, email that you're putting across the board when you sign up for your LLC, when you sign up for your EIN, when you sign up for your DUNS number. If you are putting in different information, they're not able to discover your business, and if they cannot verify your actual business, or they try to call your business phone number and it's disconnected, you're going to get denied. So that could be your third reason as to why you are being denied. The fourth thing is, if you've already gone through this process, this is for my people who've already gone through it. Maybe you've already gotten a denial. Babes, you need to read your denial letter. They're going to send you a denial letter. You might get a denial email. You need to see exactly what they say on there. Sometimes I've seen letters where it says can't verify the business, don't have enough credit established. Whatever is on that letter, we need to figure out what we need to do to fix it so you can get approved. So for anybody who's already done their application, please comment below. Let me know what your denial letter said or what the representative may have told you were denied for, so I can let you know what we can do to get things reversed and fixed up so you can get that approval. So overall, I just went over the 5 main things that could be causing you to get a denial when applying for the Sam's Club business credit card. Number 1, you don't have enough business credit established with your 80 Paydex and your 76 or higher Experian score. Number 2, you're not actually going in and open your business bank account and allowing at least that 32 days to establish some type of relationship. Number 3, you're giving them your social security number instead of your EIN when you're doing this application, and this is strictly a business credit card, and it's only for your business credit. So when they're asking for business credit, your social for that business is your EIN number. Number 4, you're not making sure that all your business information matches up. And last but not least, when you were denied, you did not look at your denial letter and see if any of that stuff was fixable so that you could reapply later. So with that being said, if any of you guys have any questions for me, and if you would like to book a one-on-one business consultation where I can help you build out your business credit and assist you with getting different funding, whether you have an established business or an old one, right now I'm having a Black Friday sale until November the 30th. You can click the link above and book your business consultation with me. All consultations are half off, and I'll also make sure to add it in the description. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Please, if you made it to the end, comment below and say I made it, and let me know what you need to take your business credit to the next level. Thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time. For hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.